To transfer money from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions and the use of digital wallets. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, while Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet designed for Solana-based assets. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a Phantom Wallet. If you don't have a Phantom Wallet, download and install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser or mobile device and follow the setup instructions. Next, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Account Balance section. Here, you can view all your available cryptocurrencies. Identify the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Solana, and click on it to access the token's details page. On the token details page, click on the Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Since you are transferring to Phantom Wallet, open your Phantom Wallet and click on the Receive button. Copy the Solana wallet address provided by Phantom Wallet. Go back to Crypto.com. Paste the Solana wallet address into the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to check the transaction fee and the minimum withdrawal amount before confirming the transaction. After entering the wallet address and the amount, review the transaction details carefully. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Crypto.com will then process the withdrawal and transfer the funds to your Phantom Wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, it may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Phantom Wallet. Depending on the blockchain congestion, you can track the transaction status on the Solana Blockchain Explorer or on Crypto.com. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so ensure you are sending the funds to the correct wallet address. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees and the minimum withdrawal amounts to avoid any issues. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money from Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. Always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency assets by using reputable platforms and keeping your wallet information private.